We got a Toshiba Regza 47-inch TV. We've already taken the back off. This is for, I've seen a lot of people complaining about lines. Now this one here's got some lines here. It had more lines across here, and it had lines across here. I wish I would have started recording sooner, but I didn't think about it. So this is what we kind of came up with. What it is at the top you have these ribbon cables, and they don't seem to make very good connection. Like this one here, as I'm touching it, you can see a line coming and going. So that's another one that we need to mess with and see if we can fix. So what I've done is I've taken popsicle sticks, and here, just kind of cut them down, approximately the size of these, and then just this is 3M double-sided tape. I'm sure you can use pretty much any kind of tape or anything, but I figured this, the way I've been putting this on, it can be taken off if you need to. So I'm just gonna peel one side off, and then lay it across there, and so you have sticky on each side there. So the one that we discovered had a problem also was that one. So let's see if we make the problem worse or what. Stick that on. Okay, so now there's no line there where it was coming and going before. So my theory is when we put the front back on, it's going to kind of put pressure on these and hold them down, and the problem will go away. The main thing was the line in the middle, because when we're playing a game or something, there was a line right down the middle, and it was just distracting. So basically we've got 3 here that we found problems with. I just found one while I was recording this, but so now we're going to put it back together, and we're going to see if we took care of the problem or not. If it comes back, we'll have to take it apart and try something else, but that's what we got so far. Hit the pause. Okay, we're putting this thing back together, trying to figure out where everything goes. We didn't really keep track of it all. As you can see, I mean, pretty much your goal is to take the back off, and then you'll have some brackets. You want to remove all these screws along here, and then these will come off, and once that's off, then you can see that the front piece will come loose, and then when that's off, then you've got a metal frame. This whole piece has screws around the front, and there's some down the side. So those all have to come out, and then this whole frame part comes out. Where you want to get to is up here. This is what I showed you earlier, where all those little ribbon cables are. So we're gonna continue to put this back together. I'm probably just gonna put a couple of screws in just to make sure that it's gonna have close to the tension and everything that it's gonna have. when it's actually fully put back together, just so I can turn it on and make sure the lines are gone, because I don't want to put it all the way back together and then find out I needed to do some more stuff and then have to take it all apart again. So we'll be back in a minute. Okay, we got the front on. Don't really want to mess with the back yet until we kind of check it and see where we're at. See what we got here.
Did you turn it on?
I thought I did. There we go. Okay, do you see anything yet? Bring up the Xbox there. I'm gonna go around the other side. Okay, let's see. We've got one line down the left-hand side. The line that was giving me the biggest problems was the one in the middle, and it's gone. Let's see, go to something else here. Brighter screen. Yeah, that one line is gone, it looks like. Need to find a more solid screen. I wonder if settings have like a more solid, brighter screen. But there's just that one line down the side, and I don't know if I can really get anything in there at this point. We may have to take this front off again and work on that left side some more. I don't know if we can. See, now this other line's popped up again. Right here. Well, maybe we can let's have to take the front panel off again and see what we can do with that. So we'll be back. So we didn't take it apart, I just kind of played around with it. I got that one line to go away. The only line that's left now, I don't know if you can see it, this one right here on the edge. The main line, which was over here in the middle, it is completely gone. Picture looks good. And this is right here at the edge. I don't think that's worth taking the whole thing apart again. I think I'm gonna put the back on it and check it again and call it good. I won't won't mess with it again unless something in the main viewing area comes up. We usually just use it to watch a movie out here in the shop or play games on it. So it's a Toshiba. I've seen a lot of people complain about the same problem, but that's what it is. It's the little ribbon cables across the top up here, but you got to get everything off of there, and then you don't want to really mess with those ribbon cables too much. Just a little bit of pressure to get them to where you want them, and then stick them on like a piece of popsicle stick or something to just kind of hold it in place, and then when you sandwich this back together, it'll kind of put a little pressure on it too. So that's it. So try it out, save you some money. Bye.